Time to budget our first paychecks of August. And before we spend a single dollar, we're giving every dollar a job. We have bills to pay, goals to work towards, and a financial future. We're rebuilding one paycheck at a time. Let's get into these numbers.
Stack that cash, let your savings rise. Budget goals and dream filled skies. Can it, track it, we're on the right road. Turn those pennies into a treasure load. Save a little, trusting God. Join the Sassy Scribbles Squad.
Hey, Sassy Scribbles Co. I'm Patricia, and welcome back to Sassy Scribbles Co. I'm documenting my real journey from eviction to financial freedom, one budget at a time. If you're trying to take control of your money, rebuilding after a setback, or simply need some encouragement, I'm so glad you're here. Now let's jump into today's video. Okay, Sassy Scribble Squad, we are starting with our first paychecks of August. As always, I'm going to go through our income, the bills, the expenses, sinking fund, debt, and savings. And then we're going to make sure that everything balances out in the end. This goal isn't going to be perfect, but the goal is to have a plan for the money that we have. Okay, so our total paychecks. My paycheck was $611. Hubby's was $724. And for you guys that don't know, we get paid every 2 weeks. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and total this up so we can see the amount that we are working with. $1,335. We'll put it down here in the summary. So now we are moving into our bills. And these are the bills that need to be covered before next pay period. Okay, and this one wasn't taken out last week, but so you'll see next pay period. I have another car payment, and it'll be the regular price car with payment, which is $340. But for car, $274. Phones, $90. Now it just was $85. I don't see how our phones with Spectrum keep going up like every month. Now it's another $5. Marika is 10. The electric I thought was going to be 120, but it was 242. Yes, it was. Okay, now internet, $96. Microsoft, $10. See subscription, $20. Okay, P.O. Box, $59. All right, and then so now we're getting into expenses. Okay, so for expenses, our food is going to be $75 this pay period. Laundry is $20. Household is $60 because we needed everything. Gas is $40. And then I did for my channel, I had to purchase some things. You guys, I know I'm on a 90-day spiritual financial fast, which you'll see that video coming up soon. What I spent and what I didn't, but I did spend $100 for my channel, and you'll see what I got. I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm still waiting for some things to come, and so next is sinking fund. which is cash stuffing. This is for saving challenges. I'm going to start splitting the videos from saving challenges to sinking funds. And so when I get my sinking funds set up, I'll start doing those savings also. Right now, the cash stuffing is going to be for the saving challenges, which is we're going to have $95. And that video is also going to be coming up. I got a couple of videos coming up. Excuse me. Update that, which I will have for. Um, it should be tomorrow because I'm going to call it Winning Wednesday. That edition, so I could do an update on my debt, and hopefully I'll do those videos every week on Wednesdays. Debt payments, no debt payments this time. Okay, so account one is going to get 129. And that's not actually for savings, that's just in our the debit account. Okay, so now let's add everything up and make sure that every dollar has a job. So like we said, the total income was $1,335. And see total bills, 274 plus 90 plus 10 plus 242 plus 96, 10, 20, 59. You know what? What did I do? You know what? I left out Canva. See, I knew that wasn't right. Okay, plus 15, 816. Left out the Canva. Cannot leave out my baby. Okay, and so now we're going to go to expenses. Food is 75 plus 20 plus 60 plus 40 plus 100. That equals 295. And then we're going to go here, 295. Okay, so cash stuffing is $95. $95 for sinking funds, zero debt. And then for savings, 129. Okay, so let's go ahead and tally this up. Oh, I'm adding and I'm supposed to be subtracting. I would love to have the money for the adding, for the addition. All right, and there we have it. We have the $0 remaining, zero-based budget. We gave every dollar a job. And that is officially our first paychecks for the month of August. One thing I want to remind you and myself is that rebuilding takes time. You may look at the numbers of which you could save more, pay more toward debt, or have more money left over, but don't let that stop you from starting, you guys. Work with what you have, make your plan, pray over it, stay consistent. I'm working on staying consistent myself because see, this video was supposed to come out on Friday, and here it is Tuesday. So I have a lot of things going on, but I'm trying. But I'm going to get more consistent and having these videos come out when they're supposed to. You know, those small steps can eventually lead to some big changes. And I'm trying to grow my channel and I need to stay consistent. Now I'm behind a couple of days, but you know what? It's okay because it is coming out, you know. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Sassy Scribble Squad. Remember, no matter where you're starting, every budget, every prayer, and every small step matters. Until next time, keep moving from surviving to thriving, one prayer, one plan, one budget at a time.